Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn title as an object in Next.js and what is the meaning of default, template and absolute property under the object that we are going to understand. So in previous video, we have understand generating static and dynamic type of title in terms of generating dynamic or static metadata. So in layout file under the app directory, that is the main layout file, you see that here we have by default title, but this title can be converted as a object. So I can convert it like this as a object also, remember. So under this I have to say default. You see, like that we have to put default. One more setting we can put here is called template. And here suppose I say route colon %s like this. So what is the meaning of this that we are going to understand here? You see that this default property under this title object means this title is for each and every page. Those are not modifying their title dynamically or statically. Remember that. This template property is for all the routes which you have created. Suppose you have created here routes about, and about we have a page file. So under this I have a title about page. So this about page will replace this %s. So this title of about page now will change as route colon then about page. This type of things will happen. You see that if I click on about, you see title has been changed to route colon about page. This about page setting is available in this file. Remember that in page.tsx file of about route, and I'm changing the title of this. So I'm changing title as a about page, but this title is displaying as a route colon about page. This route colon is coming from this layout because this is the main layout file under app directory, that is the root layout file in which I have designed this title as a template. As a template means this setting is for displaying title for all the routes those want to change statically or dynamically their title. Like this about page is changing their title statically and this service page is changing their title dynamically. Remember that in service page I am also displaying this title here changing dynamically. So if I click on service page also, you will see that on route you have service page. If I say routes under this, suppose I say S1, then you see route is also coming under service colon S1. So this route is now designed as a template for all the titles those you are going to change dynamically or statically. But if you don't want to assign a title, suppose here in product page you do not have a title, so by default that product page have title Dr. Vipin classes that is available as a default in this layout. You see default is Dr. Vipin classes. That means any route like product route here do not have the any setting of their title, means we are not replacing the title here. So in this case this product is not changing the metadata statically or dynamically, then this product root will have a default title that is available in my main layout file like this. If some routes like about or service changing their title or metadata information, then on that case this template setting will work and %s will replace by the title if by the title those they are sending from their page. Like in service page dynamically I am changing this title, so this title will replace under %s. Remember that. Now another case is there. Suppose in about page this statically generated page is there, and if I click here in about here, so you will see that route is coming and then about page is coming. Suppose I want to override the setting of template, means this setting I don't want to use. I want whatever the title I am passing under this about page, same title should display. I don't want to put route before this. So for that you need to change this title like this as a object, remember, like this, and here you need to pass absolute. like this. You need to pass here as a absolute like this. So this title should be pass as a absolute under the route. If I pass here absolute, that means this layout template title would not work. Now this title will override all the setting which you have done in layout file. Now you will see that we have a about page. If I am using the absolute keyword here, in that case I am overriding all the setting which is done in form of template under this root layout file. Remember that this must to understand. So that is the difference between default, template and absolute title. Default title is for all the pages, all the routes, those are not modifying their title. Template is for all those are using metadata those are changing title using statically or dynamically method of changing metadata. Absolute title is used when you want to override the setting of template. You don't want to pass your title to the template separately, you want to display, so you have to use as a absolute keyword here, and you have to pass title under the object of title like this. Remember that these are the setting which you have to understand if you want to use such kind of mechanism in your website, because sometime we want to set title of my home page is different and nested route title is different, and some specific title we want to put on some specific pages. So for that you can use these three types of title as per your requirement in your website. I think now you understand the object title metadata information in Next.js. If you understand it, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.